This is a siding replacement cost calculator. Contractors, you can also add this to your website. If you install siding, this is one of the smartest tools you can add to your website. Homeowners looking for siding always ask the same thing first. How much is this going to cost me? And most of them ask that question before they are ready to call anyone. That's where this siding replacement cost calculator comes in. Instead of losing those people, you give them a way to get a realistic price range right on your site. They choose their siding type, square footage, options, and they instantly understand what a real project might cost. That does two important things. First, it filters out the people who are never serious. Second, it attracts homeowners who already understand the budget and are ready to move forward. This is how you stop wasting time on bad leads. It also keeps people on your website longer, which helps with trust and even helps your site perform better in search results. The link to the free siding replacement cost calculator is at the very top of the description below, where you can try it out for yourself. Now, here's the important part. If you want this calculator on your own website, customized for your business, branded with your company name, and set up to capture better leads, I can get it done for you. No tech headaches, no guessing, just a tool that works. And if you're not sure if this fits your business or your website setup, email me directly. I'm going to leave a link to that. I'm going to leave a link to this actual tool you can check out yourself. And I'm going to leave a link to the order page as well, all down below. So you can get this on your site, done for you, customized for your business. And if you have any questions, like I said, shoot me an email, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching.